Hi, I'm Lee from Lee's Way or the Highway Math Tutoring. Welcome today. We're going to be extending the divisibility rules to the sixes. Now, if you looked at the video before this, which was video number 2, you will have learned about the 2's and the 3's and their divisibility rules. So I'll quickly review. The 2's, the 1's digit has to be even, and the 3's, you have to add up the digits and they have to be multiples of 3's. If you're not sure about that, go back to the lesson before, which is video number 2, and have a watch. It's a short video, pretty easy to understand. So we're going to be looking at the sixes today, and the 6 is composed of 2 times 3. That's why the 2 rule and the 3 rule are critical in seeing if 6 will divide into a number without a remainder. So we're going to look at 4 sets of numbers here, and we're going to go ahead and break them down to see what the different possibilities are if 6 divides into them. So 2014, we're going to look at the 2 test. Now 2014, the 1's digit is even, it's a 4, therefore it passes. Now if we come over to the 3's test, we find out that it fails the 3 test. And what is the 3 test? We're going to add up the digits. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 is 7, which is not in the multiplication tables of the 3's. Therefore, it fails. So if it fails one test, it fails the whole divisibility test. So this one, it passed the 2's, but failed the 3's. It's a fail. So 2014 is a fail. 6 does not divide into it. Next one, 729. Now, it fails the 2 test because the 1's digit is a 9. Now, if you come over here, it passes the 3's test because 7 plus 2 plus 9 is 18, which is a multiple of 3. So it passes, but it fails the whole test for the 6's because it didn't pass both tests. So now we're going to go to example number 3, 8,562. Now it passes the even test. Why is that? Because the 1's digit is even. It's a 2, so it passes. And, believe it or not, it passes the 3's test. Why is that? It adds up to a multiple of 3. So let's check it out. 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 is 21, which is in the multiplication tables of the 3's. So it passes. 21 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, it passed both tests, the 2 and the 3's, therefore it passes the 6th test. Now, I want you to try 2,201. Go ahead and give it a shot on your paper. I'll give you a second, and then we'll break it down and see if it passes the test. Okay, it should have been that quick that you figured it out. Yeah, first of all, we look at the 1's digit, right? And it's a 1. So that right there is a fail on the evens. It's probably best to check the evens test first, because if it fails that, you're done. But we'll go ahead and check the 3's just for the heck of it. 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1, that's 5. So it fails the 3, 2. It's out. So that's a fail test. But if one of the tests fails, the whole test fails. So I always check the evens first, then I check the 3 test. I hope you got this lesson. If you have any questions, go to my Instagram, Lee's Way Math Tutoring, and post your questions or any requests of lessons you'd like. Thank you and goodbye.